Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Libby. Today I'm going to be doing a very fast eyebrow video. I just purchased this. Let me cover my address. From Mad Love. It's an eyebrow stamp. I'm on my way somewhere, so I was like, let me see how this comes through in the clutch. Now I have tried it like 2 days ago. I was trying out different, it comes with all these different stencils. So I was trying out different stencil shapes to see which one fit my brow the best. And to me, I think it's either the 4 or the one. So these are the two that I felt look the best on my brows. Excuse these lashes, they're super dramatic. I'm doing something, so I went for more of the dramatic look. I'm gonna go with this one. I think this one looks more natural, especially since my lashes are more dramatic. Hey daughter, close my door. So let me hurry up. It also comes with this pack. Everything comes in here. It comes with the stamp, of course. And in the pack, it has like a little spoolie. I'm dropping it in case because I'm rushing. So I'm gonna quickly spoolie these. I'm also gonna spoolie these lashes because these lashes look like I'm about to fly away. Now I went for a bolder look this time. Normally I get like really natural lashes, but this time I was like, girl, let's try something different. I'm gonna go back natural. This ain't for me. So anyways, I have my daughter down here. Y'all know y'all can't see her, but I'm gonna put this, let me show y'all how I did it. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Don't do it. I just poked my eye. Okay, here we go. So what I did was I aligned it with the tip of my brow. And then I just kind of, hold on, baby. Don't touch it because you're gonna make it fall. And then this is the stamp. So you pop, lock, and drop it. All right, there we go. And inside of it, it has the ink. I'm assuming that's where the ink comes from. And then I start at the back, kind of heavy. And then I loosen the pressure the closer I get to the front of my eyebrow. So I just did this, and then let's see what we got, y'all, because I'm about to go somewhere, so I can't be out here looking crazy. Let's see. There we go. I think I'm gonna go back to the other shape. But for today, this gonna have to work. I think the 4 was my better shape now that I'm doing this. But hey, I could pull it off. I think with a little spoolie action, I can kind of make this work. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip to the other brow. Once again, I'm gonna line it up with the tail of my brow, do the front. I think this is better. Let's see, I'm gonna dip it in here one more time. Take this out. I'm gonna tap heavy on the tail and then lighter as I come to the front. And let's see what we got. I say it's a win. So I'm gonna wear this all day and I'll be back. I'm gonna show you guys my final results. At the end of the day, I'll make sure I either insert a video or some pictures. I'm gonna spoil this real quick because I gotta skedaddle. I'm always late, y'all. Always late. I gotta take my kids somewhere. So, see, she told me to hurry. She told me to hurry, y'all. I'm coming.
Hurry before the party's over.
It's not even a party, but okay. All right. I use my tights, y'all. But okay, we'll be back. I'll let y'all know how that goes. Look up close.